Hello, today we're going to show you a quick overview of how you can download and import settings to your controller. So if you are on your main page, please click the controller you would like to download the current settings for. At this time, you can only download current settings from Headgrower Desktop. In the future, we will make this functionality available on your phone or tablet. Once you've clicked a controller, click the General tab. From there, click the Download Current Settings file. It will download your settings. From there, you may import that settings file to any other controller, and it will change the settings to match your current settings from the file or from the house that you just downloaded the settings for. So if I had a separate controller, what I would do is click this Choose File. In this case, I'm going to drag the file that I just downloaded. It will tell you the file name, and then you just press Import. After Headgrower has synced all the settings changes from the import with the controller itself, you will see all those changes in your audit log. For example, we have a settings change where we change the heat to cool delay done by import settings. Similarly, we have changing the timer 2 settings to update the value, and you'll see it has import settings. Thank you. This has been an example of how to import and export settings from a controller with Headgrower.